It's probably hiding behind here. Pop out of nowhere. Oh, there it is. Oh my god! What's up, you guys? Alright, it's been a long time since I made a vlog. I apologize for that. I've been busy with finals and stuff because I am going to school. Finals is a time to study, so I actually just finished my last final today, like a few minutes ago. And I got home and I was like, let's make a vlog because it's been a while. Guys, the hell is this? I walk into my home and I'm chilling and there's a bird in here. Oh my god. He got stuck. I don't even know how he got stuck. This window doesn't open. This is the only window in here. And it doesn't open. And the bird. Oh my god, the bird took a poop. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I just lost it. Where is it at? It's probably hiding behind here. Pop out of nowhere. Oh, there it is. Oh my god! Since your man is a smart college student, he's gonna figure out how to take this bird out. This? Nah. This? Nah. This? No, I think it's the same situation as a bull. There we go. Put it up in here. Take him outside. Let's see how this goes. What? Where'd it go? Where'd you go? I seriously lost the bird. Where did... Behind the piano? Nothing. Did it leave without saying goodbye? I officially have to say that I lost the bird. Alright, you guys, so I get back from the gym, okay? And I'm over here chilling, eating food, watching YouTube videos. When I'm sitting here, all of a sudden, I hear something flying and hitting this window. Guess who it is? Where'd you go? Birdie? Munchies. Did you eat another bird? Story time. My dog actually ate a live bird and it was literally laying like right there, just completely dead, just a fresh new bird. And there was like trails of feathers from the bird into Munchies' bed. Excuse me. Where the hell did it go? I literally saw it a few seconds ago. Bird. Come out, wherever you are. Munchies' bed? Munchies, where's the bird? Say cheese. Can't find this freaking bird.
20 minutes later.
I have found the bird. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Boom. The bird is back. The bird is back. It is not a hummingbird, are we, huh? Oh, look at it, there it is. It went into the other plant. Boom.
Oh my god. Can you please leave?
What?
Can you please leave?
Oh, me?
Oh, the bird.
Oh. It's in my room now. What the? Bird, chill out, chill out. Here. I'll open my door for you. You're free! Gotta go the right way. Over there, over there. Goodbye. Oh my god, you are so close. Oh, no. Yay! The bird's free! And a couple hours later, only because I had to wait for this girl right here, we're on our way to the mall. We're gonna go there right about now. Boom! Now we're at the mall, and I'm with this girl. Oh, you don't like it when I vlog in public, huh? Yeah, everyone gives you weird stares, and she doesn't like it because she's with me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a video with her soon because the video actually did get 30 likes. Awesome. So now I'm gonna be doing her makeup in future videos, maybe in a couple days, but we'll see. We're out here. We're doing last minute Christmas shopping. I mean, there's like a couple more weeks till Christmas and we'll see where this goes.
Not even. Well,
yeah.
1 week.
Oh shit. And we just got out of the Morphe store. This is a brand new store. It's it's new, right? Yeah, it's brand new. We're here.
It's the first store because it's online.
Oh, is it online only? Guys, quick update. We're literally on store number 3. Makeup store number 3. Right, Awia? I'm fed up. I don't even know what to do with my life anymore.
Okay, we can go.
Patrick Star? Alright.
Oh, I think that one's foam.
We're-
Aw, foam's
oh.
more fun.
You're literally wasting their soap, dude. Alright, so we came to... Wait, where are we at? Bath and Body Works?
Yeah.
We're at Bath and Body Works. Smells good. And we literally came here just to wash our hands. Just to wash our
The
hands.
best place to wash your hands.
Yeah,
Should I-
actually, like, real tip, you guys. If you guys ever want to wash your hands, you guys are at the mall. Come to Bath and Body Works. And you guys can wash your hands with a bunch of, like, really nice soap. It smells really good. It's the best.
Burns good.
Actually, I take that back. We're not only here to wash our hands. I'm actually gonna buy lotion here. I really like their man lotion here. It smells good. But yeah. Dang, they don't freaking have it. Where is it at? For real. I'm looking for Midnight Moonlight, I think. Something like that. Excuse me, do you guys happen to have any like the men's lotion, like Midnight Moon?
I don't know. I know what we have is going to be like right here.
Oh, is this like the only men's
Yeah,
lotion?
this is like the only men's section right here. I mean, I really like the sequin one. My boyfriend wears that one like all the time. So that one's my favorite. Or that one up there. That one's really good.
For
But
sure.
I've never even heard of Midnight.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Got it. Cool. Thank you. No, thank you. You can't go to the mall without stopping at. Where are we at? Brookstone? Brookdale? Brookstone. For a good massage. That's what we're here for. How do you turn this back? Oh, here it is.
But with the calculations that I have here,
Dude, it's like squeezing my calves. Oh my god, this feels great.
there's no interest or APR.
Feels so good.
This is just a flat.
This one's really bad.
Yeah, it's because back is $200. Mine's pretty good. Mine costs $600. The right one only, right?
My right one only was.
Your right ankle only, right?
Yes.
You thought that was your left ankle? Everybody, over here. She thought that one over there was her left ankle.
Wait, but do you see that?
And now she's trying to change the subject.
I'm serious.
But I'm not letting her. Because I was real stupid right there. Dude, I got it to work. I got it to start. And my feet have never been happier. We were supposed to leave 2 minutes ago. But this feels way too good.
What if I move my
Look at it. I'm pretty sure you can tell the camera's shaking because I'm resting the tripod on my leg. And my legs are shaking because of the thing. Watch, it's gonna stop any second. Ready? Now. Oh, it's shaking again. Alright, so that was it for today. We just finished the mall, got home, and then that was pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like this video if you guys haven't already. And make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already, alright? So, I'll see you guys later and see you for the next one. Peace.